balls to text me and ask me. Oh, you got a new GoPro?
Oh, you know what it is.
Ow.
What's up?
She wants to come pick me up for sure tomorrow, and I never text her back.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, folks, this is a test of my new GoPro 7 silver camera. Just testing it out. Daylight, even though it's overcast, just see what kind of images I get. I think I'm really gonna like this wide angle though. I think that's really cool. You can see the dark clouds coming in and thick traffic. I'm out of 275 around the West Shore Mall area. It's a really bad conditions. I was hoping for a bright sunny day to be shooting some of this GoPro, but you pretty much, I guess, get what you get, huh? One day I'll get a sunny day and see how it looks. Probably don't look too bad, I guess. I hope not.
Uprising of terrorists and, one of them.
Going to Camel Causeway. Stormy day. Just a few days before Christmas. I don't know if you can see the water from here. Testing the GoPro.